Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. To begin, make sure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged. Safety first. Start by removing any attachments and emptying the dust container. This will give you a clean workspace. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location so they don't get lost. If you find yourself needing assistance, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. You may notice some dust buildup inside. Use the soft cloth to gently clean this area, ensuring there's no obstruction that could affect the vacuum's performance. Now, locate the trigger mechanism. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a couple of screws holding the trigger in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, carefully remove these screws. Keep them safe as you'll need them to attach the new trigger. If you don't have the right tools or just prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a hassle-free option, no calls, no travel. Once the screws are out, you can lift the old trigger out of its slot. Take your new trigger and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it's tightly fastened, but be careful not to over-tighten to avoid damaging the plastic. Now, it's time to reassemble the back cover. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you took out earlier, ensuring that everything is secure. Before we finish, let's do a quick check. Turn the vacuum back on and test the trigger. It should respond smoothly. If you encounter any issues or if the trigger isn't functioning as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, remember to give your vacuum a thorough cleaning after any maintenance. It helps prolong its lifespan and ensures optimal performance. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, we're here for you with professional diagnosis and home service options. That's it. Your Dyson SV14 is ready for action with a brand new trigger. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.